Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so untuk konten kali ni aku nak buat spoiler belakang aku ni, balut dengan ni stiker karbon lah. Okay, so first kali kita kena buka dulu spoiler ni.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute.
Okay, so aku dah tanggalkan dah spoiler tu tadi. Okay, so sekarang ni aku nak buang color dia menggunakan paint remover brand City Paint. Bapak mahal. What? Okay, so jom.
How careless we
Yeah, all day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play you guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, open when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
Now I remember everything and how careless we could be.
Okay, so aku dah selesai dah buang color spoiler ni. Sekarang ni aku nak pergi spray undercoat bright chrome. Okay, so jom. Okay, so aku dah selesai dah spray spoiler ni warna hitam. So sekarang ni kita pergi balut spoiler ni dengan stiker karbon. Jom.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, let me get on my face. I gotta
place like first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, I slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like never really know when you gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them
Tomorrow.
So aku dah settle dah lekat stiker karbon tu. Okay, so lepas ni jom kita pergi tembak clear je. Jom.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes.
Okay, so spoiler ni dah tembak clear dah. So sekarang ni aku nak spray nut spoiler ni baru pada warna gold, baru dia nampak cun lah.
Yeah, boy,
Okay, so jom kita cabut dulu, lepas tu jom kita pergi spray.
A few moments later.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she I mean, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell shorty drop it for a real one.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so tu je lah konten aku pada kali ni. So aku harap korang enjoy video ni. Like, comment, share dan yang paling penting subscribe.